Anyway, in this video, I will show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation in minutes. So make sure you watch the video until the end so you won't skip any single part. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any single upload in the future. So without further ado, let's get started right away. So head up to your favorite browser and type Claude AI. Select the first link and you'll be directed to the Claude.app website.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it up. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't.
If you don't have an account, what you want to do is click on Start for free.
Come for us, this life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted.
Just sign up with your email or sign up with Google.
One more for us, there you go. Drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
So after signing up, you'll be directed to this page. And it will ask you, how do you plan to use Gamma? So whatever you plan to use Gamma for, as we said, we're using it for presentation. So we just
don't look at the past. No, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last. Make it last.
We can just answer some of these questions. Okay, what do you plan to use to do with Gamma? So you can just select all of these so you won't have any option to miss. Now we want to create our presentation. To create our presentation,
to the break of day, no matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot.
So these are the various ways you can use to create your presentation. You can either generate, paste in text,
for the gifted, triple shot for the pain.
Create from templates, or import file.
There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get it.
Just click on import file, and once you click on import file, you will be redirected to this page where you have to browse a file from your machine or from your desktop. So just browse and select where your file is. Just select the file and the file will be imported into Gamma.
We stay all day, all night, living in paradise.
So once your file is imported, you can just, okay, this is how our file looks like in PDF form. So this is our document we want to create a presentation for. Just click on continue. So it's going to take you to this next step where you have to choose a template for your PowerPoint. So you just have to scroll and see if everything aligns with you. So right here at the left, you want to choose how your PowerPoint is going to look like. So for visuals or for theme, you can choose different themes here depending on the type of PowerPoint you're creating. So we have different themes here where you can choose, and once you find a theme you're comfortable with, So just browse or just scroll to choose a perfect theme for your presentation.
Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time.
So once you find a theme that suits your presentation, just click on it and to preview. And once you're comfortable with that, just click on select theme. So you can toggle with some of these features at the left. So we have in total a maximum of 10 cards, so 10 slides. Once you're finished, just click on generate, and your presentation is going to take, or it's going to take some time to start generating.
Of your life.
So this is Gamma generating our presentation. So you just have to sit and wait, let Gamma do its work.
Remember, you don't get it twice.
How cool is this? Wow.
The time of your life.
So once Gamma is finished, you can see how your presentation looks like. The best part is you can edit your presentation right here in Gamma. So if there are some things lacking, you can just adjust, or if you want to change the images, you can just change everything here in Gamma.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power.
So this is how our presentation looks like.
Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, down, down. Gets you down, down, down.
So let's say you want to change this image. You just have to click on it and you click edit image.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time.
Where you see AI images, just click on it and then you see image upload or URL to browse the image from your machine or from your desktop to change the image.
Bring the energy one more time.
So you can edit any other thing in your presentation depending on how you want it to be.
Bring the energy one more time. Say it
So after editing and everything is good to go, you can preview your presentation by clicking on present.
louder, say it louder. You're the question, you're the answer. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down.
So once you're done previewing, if you want to export your presentation, just click on share and you see export. So we have different options to export. You can either export it as a PDF, export it as a PowerPoint, you can export it as a Google slide, or export it as a PNG file. So whatever you're comfortable with, just select it and you export. So for us, we're going to go with PowerPoint to export it as PowerPoint. Once you click on export, it's going to start exporting your PowerPoint presentation. So just give it some time to export your PowerPoint presentation. So once it's finished exporting, you'll be sent or a link will be provided to you where you just have to click and your PowerPoint presentation will start downloading immediately. So as you can see, our PowerPoint presentation is currently downloading. So just give it some time to finish downloading and we'll preview how the PowerPoint looks like. So once your PowerPoint presentation is finished downloading, you can just click to open or to preview the file. And as you can see, it's opening directly in Microsoft PowerPoint.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use.
So as you can see our PowerPoint, this is how our PowerPoint looks like in Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can as well edit the PowerPoint in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you found value in this content, please consider giving a like, and if you're seeing you and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It's completely free, okay? So you won't miss any future uploads. And if you have any questions, please just leave them in the comment section. And if you have like any video you want me to make, just leave it in the comment section. Stay blessed, stay safe. See you in the next one.